Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we thrilled to introduce you to the memorizing world of Pure Munga Silk Saree. Get ready to be captivated by elegance and charm of our exclusive collection. Introducing the Pure Munga Silk Saree, elegance, refinement and with gorgeous zari work. This saree is a true masterpiece crafted with utmost precious and love. Made from the finest quality Munga silk, this saree is sure to make you stand out on any occasion. As you creases the fabric, you will feel luxurious softness and pure Munga silk against your skin, making you feel like a royalty. It lightweight nature ensure you can move with grace and easy, turning head wherever you go. But what truly set this saree apart is its stunning zari work. Is intricate and beautiful golden zari thread and meticulously woven into memorizing pattern, adding a touch of opulence and grandeur to this already magnificent piece. Whether you wear it for a wedding, a festive or any special event, this saree will make you center of attention and leave everyone in awe. Your style and taste, the rich texture, vibrant color and timeless elegance of this saree make it a priceless additions to your wardrobe. It's an embodiment of traditional and contemporary fashion, blending seamless to create a unique visual feast. With every drape you will feel a stroke of confidence and pride, knowing that you wearing a saree that represent the heritage and artistry of Indian textile. So guys, why wait? Embrace the charm of our pure Muga silk saree, elegance, refinedness and gorgeous zari work, and redefine elegance in your own unique way. Be the epitome of grace and style with this sensational saree. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more exciting update and stunning collection of sarees. Stay elegant and stay fashionable. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.